is working. Let's see if it resists. This car was overheating, low the whole seal. I don't know how long it's running without water or any freeze. A little noisy. It's an old motor, but no real heavy friction backs on the piston. And the exhaust is a little noisy. Probably they modified it, yeah. They modified it already. Probably they removed the catalytic. It was a little more noisy, but so far so good. Gonna check the gauges. The AC is working. No checking in line. We're gonna leave it in idle and see if it's not making noises in the future and things like that. There's a little gasoline there. I'm gonna leave it for 5 minutes and then call the customer so he can come and pick it up. Dodge Yorny. Very nice weather.